So my role in this craziness is completed. Woo! What a long road it's been, but it has been fun, and there's just so much interesting textures and colors on here. So I'll try to do the best I can without a full clear coat. Next thing is it's going off to Dave's Collision for clear coat. You're up, Dave. Anyways, here we'll try to get a look at some of these colors and things in here. And of course, with the flashlight, it'll help out a whole lot, seeing particularly like the holographic sparkles. And man, it's just some amazing stuff. More holographic. And then of course we have gold leaf. And man, just sapphire shimmering. There's gold flip magenta pearl on here with a black with a raspberry pearl base coat, and more holographic hidden stuff. And man, look, when you take the light away, it just disappears. But this is going to be crazy with clear coat, and once it gets in the sun. And man, I'm looking so forward to this. And all the drop shadow work and everything's done on that, so it has just tons and tons of dimension. And once again, look at these panels that just appear and disappear once you get the light on them. That's just insane. This is the torch, the acetylene torch stripe, with several candy colors: candy blue, candy purple, candy cherry, and I think candy red, I think is what I have on there. I'm going to have to go through that whole list. Again, more of the holographic goodiness. And man, I can't wait to see this cleared. Can't wait to see it in the sun. Let's try to get a little bit closer and take a look at some of it. Man, look at that. Look at the texture in the gold leaf too. Man, I really like that stuff. Let's go over, take a look at the other side. And this video is going to be a little bit long because I really want to try to show this off the best I can. And again, man, look at all the color and contrast on that. Let's take a look at the other side. Let's see. Oh yeah, and here we go with the hood. We'll check out the colors in that. The fire is 2 colors of red with a layer of, I think I use a chrome coat fireball in there, so that'll do all kinds of shifting too once it gets cleared. Check that out. And the hood stripe, which matches the sides. Again, man, it's just some awesome, awesome textures and craziness there. And going down the other side of the truck, same thing as what we saw on the passenger side. I won't go too much into extent for this, but anyways, look at that. That's crazy, crazy, crazy. Again, look at all the colors here and the holographic. And I'll go through and list all this stuff again. I have throughout the project, but I will make sure I do it again just so everybody gets a good feel of what it is. And then the last piece here is the back part. I mean, I'll look at the colors in here and the shifting that goes on with this. All kinds of dimension, drop shadowing, and textures all the way through. Again, I am just thrilled with how this turned out. It now has my official stamp of approval. And off to clear coat it goes this week. It will get a double clear, obviously cleared once, sanded smooth, and then cleared again. And then polished up. And we'll be ready to go. So it'll probably be another week, couple weeks before the final clear is all completed. And of course, putting the truck back together. And I want to thank everybody involved with this project for all their help. And for everybody stopping and looking at it and paying attention to it. And I've been very grateful for being able to do something cool like this. It's been a while. I haven't done automotive in a while, so this has just been different. And we'll update you once the clear coat's done. And ciao for now.